Meron akong paalala sa inyo, hindi lahat ng tao ay natutuwang manood ng tagumpay ng iba. Tandaan ninyo, success is the best revenge. Celebrate your success within, and that is the most important thing. At sa araw na to, may tatlo akong myths na babasagin. Ang unang maling tinuro sa inyo na ang edukasyon at ang diploma ang maghahatid sa inyo sa tagumpay. Tandaan ninyo, ang diploma ay napakanipis na kalasag para kayo ay magtagumpay. Pero wag mong paniwalaan na sapat ang manipis mong diploma para maging kalasag mo sa laban na to. And I want you to be correct in believing today. Yung knowledge, magbabago yan. Yung skills, magbabago yan. Pero yung attitude mo, yan ang totoong magiging differentiator mo. Yan ang totoong susi ng magiging tagumpay mo. Ang pangalawa kong babasaging katotohanan ay ang pinaniniwalaan na ang sipag at tiyaga ay sapat na. Napakaraming masipag at matyaga, subalit hindi nagtagumpay. Tandaan nyo, ang sipag at tiyaga ay hindi sapat. Kailangan mo ng tamang kaalaman. You have to learn to unlearn. You have to learn to relearn. And you have to learn to learn. And that is the literacy of the modern times. And I don't want you to work hard because a lot are already working hard. I want you to work smart. And working smart means you are using the power within so that you're able to transform yourself into somebody who can be the best version of you every single day. Ang pangatlo kong binabasag ngayon ay ang paniniwala mo na kaya mo mag-isa. Oo, ikaw ay hindi perpekto pero ikaw ay kompleto. Oo, hindi ka perpekto pero ikaw ay sapat na. And there is nothing wrong with you. But you always have to embrace the beauty of collaboration. I'm not saying don't be alone because alone is not lonely. I want you to believe in yourself but always remember that you're never alone in this journey. So hindi totoong diploma at edukasyon ay sapat. Hindi totoong ang sipag at tiyaga ay sapat. At hindi totoong ikaw bilang ikaw ay sapat. Because you may be the best, but better is always better than best.